In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add admin to Google Ads account. By the end, you'll confidently invite the right person with the correct permissions while keeping your account secure and organized. First, open your Google Ads account by heading to ads.google.com and signing in with the account that manages your ads. Make sure you're logged into the profile that has permission to manage users. If you don't see the options I mention next, you may need to switch to the correct account or confirm your access level with your team. Once you're in, look for the admin section in the interface. This is where account level controls live. Open admin to access your management tools, then choose access and security. This page is your hub for adding users, adjusting permissions, and reviewing who currently has access. It's a good habit to glance at the user list so you understand who's already in the account and what roles they have. Now click the plus icon to add someone new. This starts the invitation process. If the plus icon isn't clickable, your account may not have rights to add users, so double check your role or ask an existing admin to update your permissions. Next, enter the work email of the person you want to add as an admin. Make sure it's spelled correctly and belongs to the person who will manage the account. Using a professional, organization-managed email helps with accountability and future offboarding. The recipient will need a Google account to accept the invite. Most business emails tied to Google Workspace will work. After entering the email, select the access level. Choose admin to grant full control, including the ability to manage users and billing, edit campaigns, and change account settings. Only assign admin to people who truly need it, such as trusted team leads or agency managers. If you're unsure, pause for a moment and confirm internally that admin access is appropriate since it grants broad authority. Finally, click Send Invitation. The person will receive an email prompting them to accept. Until they do, you'll see their status listed as pending in Access and Security. If you made a mistake with the email or role, you can cancel the pending invite and resend it correctly. Once they accept, their role will take effect immediately. A quick tip before we wrap up: review your user list periodically, keep the number of admins minimal, and remove access that's no longer needed. This helps protect budgets, campaigns, and sensitive settings. That's it. You've successfully invited an admin to your Google Ads account.